Web3 development involves developing blockchain-based technologies. Similarly, as with Web2, Web3 has front-end and back-end development. And also, there is smart contract development, which is essential for the development of decentralized applications. For Web3 applications, front-end developers or designers can take their existing skills and apply them to developing Web3 applications. In terms of the back-end, developers simply pick a blockchain, then work with a single language, and then figure out the change in architecture on the blockchain. Hi everybody! In this video, we will discuss Web3 and how to become a Web3 developer. So, let's get started. A Web3 developer is well-versed in blockchain technology, and they have excellent problem-solving skills, creativity, and communication skills. C++ and JavaScript are some of the programming languages to know to put together solutions with smart contracts. Also, Web3 developers must possess analytical skills to be successful, and a good way to learn these skills is by getting up to speed with the latest developments in the industry. A Web3 developer's salary is high because the developers are in high demand. As with jobs with high salaries, you expect high competition. But that is not the case here. The job market for Web3 developers is still strong because there are not enough developers to meet the demand. Companies compete to get the most qualified candidate for their jobs, putting a highly qualified Web3 developer in high demand. Web3 developer is responsible for creating applications on a blockchain or decentralized network. These are some of the roles for Web3 developers. Core blockchain developer. Core blockchain developers create the blockchain's architecture, design, and security. A core blockchain developer designs the protocol of the blockchain, designs the security and consensus network, and supervises the entire blockchain network. Smart contract developer. Smart contract developers are hired to build smart contracts on blockchain platforms. As their name implies, they are responsible for designing and building smart contract architecture. Solidity and Viper are some programming languages they use to create smart contracts. The responsibilities of a smart contract developer are: design smart contracts and deploy these smart contracts on decentralized platforms like yield pools and DeFi platforms. Test and upgrade smart contracts. Explore and research smart contract design implications. Rust developer. Another important role in Web3 development is a Rust developer. Rust is a unique programming language with a wide range of Web3 applications. For example, Rust is used when building on the Solana blockchain. It is a very popular programming language among developers because of its many advantages like easy documentation. How to become a Web3 developer? The Web3 ecosystem is small and with high demand for developers, accompanied by the increase in cryptocurrency adoption and more money coming into the industry. There will be more demand for Web3 developers. Anyone can become a Web3 developer with the right study material and mentorship to grow in the industry. In 3 steps, I will highlight how to become a Web3 developer. Learn about blockchain technology. The first step to becoming a Web3 developer is learning about blockchain technology's concepts. It involves learning about different types of cryptocurrency and the underlying programming language that is used for creating them. Learn programming language. Solidity and Rust are one of the most important programming languages to learn to develop a Web3 platform. After learning one of these languages, then you can develop your smart contract. Deploy smart contracts. The next step is to test your smart contracts on a live blockchain platform. Different cryptocurrencies have testnets to test smart contracts before deploying them on the main network. Deploying smart contracts on testnets will help check for any potential bugs in your code that could lead to loss of funds or data integrity issues. One reliable way of learning how to become a Web3 developer is by attending an online bootcamp. Online bootcamps are designed to teach people how to learn a skill and be competent in a small amount of time. Clarusway is one of the most reliable online bootcamps to learn Web3. Clarusway offers a 24-week intensive course on blockchain and Web3 development. The course will expose students to everything they need to know about Web3 development and to build decentralized applications, DApps, with different languages. This is it for today's video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.